Good mentors are important for any growing startup. Have you ever felt that all that you can learn and will learn is through experiences and trial and error methods? Have you ever longed for a book that has all the solutions to the easier problems so that you can solve the bigger and the complex ones on time? Well, such a book is now available and is extremely important for any organization. This book is not your stereotypical business book. It comes as a human form called a mentor. Yes, you heard it right. Mentors are the most crucial assets for an organization and must be present at par with whatever training program the institution deals with. If you ask me in what ways mentors are crucial for a startup, here goes. They share their experiences with you to make your life easy. Yes, that is possible. No matter how dynamic the business environment is, there are certain problems that are recurring in nature. Instead of thinking about the solution, you might just use their insights. They can be the support that you require. The mentors portray the rules and ethics that the organization stands for, and it is easier to talk it out with a mentor than messing your tasks and holding grudges. They help you in getting familiar with the people of the firm. They will explain the work setting to you and make you well acquainted with how it works. They can definitely be your inspiration. Sometimes when you are looking for reasons to quit and give up, they can be the source of inspiration.